Now, our bites of the week come from Nigerian vendors. They say Dream Weekend was less of a celebration and more of a setback, ending in losses instead of gains. Here are our bites of the week.
Bites of the week.
2025 is not a dream weekend, it's a nightmare weekend. Be a bad business, nothing go on. As you can see, the place flop. No good energy, boring. Yeah.
Dream Weekend is not a dream weekend, it's a dead weekend. It's worse in the whole Jamaica. Negril, nothing go on. Even the hotel people in my ball, nothing go on.
Bites of the week brought to you by King Alam.